Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to attempt to fit all of my TheCoffeeMonsterzCo Washi into a set of washi drawers. I have stuff everywhere, as I believe I've mentioned in several videos now. And I would like it to not be everywhere, and I'd like to be able to find it. So, between all the packages I have, and there's a lot, and all of these little pencil cases and stuff, like, this is budget washi. I really want to know where that is because A, that's hard to come by, and B, I want to use that in my budget planner. They're all so stinking cute. We've got reading ones we can use in the reading planner. We've got tea ones. We got a bunch. And then this is like a coffee colored pencil pouch. So we've got this one. Oops. And this one. That one's kind of thick, so I'll put it over there. Did I get them all? Nope. I knew there was a second one of those. A lot of times I will buy two if I really like it. The problem being, they stack up pretty quick. And this one is reading, so we're going to want to know where that is. And of course I have two. And then I have two of these, which are super pretty. And then I have a bean card and a freebie. And a Fiona package to this one. Maybe that was subscription extras. This one is definitely a subscription. Day of the Week washi. That's going to be useful for redating my Hobonichi. And we've got this newsprint. And we've got the same reading washi that's right here. And a different book washi because that book washi is purple. That one is brown. And this doesn't appear to be the same as this, so they are different. Oops. So it's another subscription. You guys are gonna laugh when you see this, but I had no choice because it's the subscription. Oh yeah. So yeah, this one was just an order. This one wasn't. It must have been subscription extras. But then this stuff was a subscription. Subscriptions don't come with bean cards. So here's one that was packed by Amanda. So now check this out. Ah, come back here. Yellow. Yellow. That one's cute. And yellow. And it comes with this card and this die cut. Now we've got another pencil bag. I'm actually doing pretty well. I really thought it was going to be a lot worse than this. So this is going really pretty well. Okay, and then these are vertical emojis. And then we've got a city. cars. We've got 2 more newsprints. I don't remember if they're the same as that one or not. I don't think so. And then we've got those 3. And that one. That's everything in that one. Okay, and we've pretty much filled these drawers because I have overfilled my drawers to where I then can't get the damn washi out, and that's annoying. So we're gonna try not to do that. I think I just pulled the camera. I have it on a charger so that it doesn't die on us. That's a Star Wars movie theater ticket from a long time ago. This one also packaged by Amanda. And it's got this one, which is awesome, and this die cut. I like that card. So let's see. Okay, so we've got days of the week, and we've got this darker book washi, and we've got this one with the reading, and then we've got this other colored newspaper. This is another subscription, which was again packaged by Amanda. This is the yellow one. So I get the washi subscription, and then I get the bigger subscription, which is everything. So I end up with 2 sets of washi every time. So when Helen decides to make them yellow, I got yellow. And then this, which is very cool. And then there's nothing else in here, so we're just gonna get rid of that. Got another gray one full of washi. I must have stuff down here somewhere that is not, like, it must be over there in the totes, because there's no way that this is all the washi. It's not possible. Okay, that's plainer washi in green. Coffee. We've got emoji. We've got more vertical emoji. Got this really pretty one. And we've got those. And that one. And these 2. We do have, I think this is actually glitter washi. And we've got these 2. And then this one, which is Disney Princesses. And this one is now empty. Is this one stuffed? Nope, this one's washi. Okay. This is why I was saying I think I'm missing washi. This has to be the reason. Okay. I will end up going through here and finding like all the duplicates and putting them together, but I'm not going to torture you guys with that. All in there right next to each other. Oops. more Disney ones. This is like Eeyore, Piglet. I don't know. Creatures. We have 2 of those. Have 2 of this one, which is also book related. And we have 2 of that one, which is super pretty. And this one. Since I already started matching them up, I might as well just match them up. Okay, and then these match 2 other ones here, but we are out of space. There's definitely more hiding. It's just not in any of these packages. Okay, so we got another empty pouch. This is a bigger pouch. That's it for this video. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos. And I'll see you in the next one.